Welcome to the UK, a country of rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant cities. If you're planning a trip or just daydreaming about your next vacation, stay tuned because we're counting down the top 20. Visit in the UK. Discover all these destinations and more. Check the link in the description for exclusive travel deals and tips. 1. London is our first stop. This bustling capital is home to famous landmarks like the Tower of London, Buckingham Palace, and the British Museum. With its diverse neighborhoods and world-class dining, there's something for everyone. Number 2, Edinburgh. Next, we head to Edinburgh, Scotland's historic and picturesque capital. Take a stroll down the Royal Mile, visit the iconic Edinburgh Castle, and enjoy the annual Edinburgh Festival. Number 3, Stonehenge, one of the world's most famous prehistoric sites. Stonehenge is shrouded in mystery and history. Located in Wiltshire, it's a must-see for anyone interested in ancient history and archaeology. Number 4, the Lake District. Lake District is a breathtaking national park known for its stunning lakes, mountains, and charming villages. It's the perfect destination for hiking, boating, and relaxing in nature. Number 5, York is a city steeped in history, with medieval walls, the stunning York Minster, and the charming Shambles. Explore the city's rich heritage and enjoy its vibrant culture. Number 6, Bath. Known for its Roman-built baths and Georgian architecture, Bath is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that offers a unique blend of history and elegance. Ready to explore Bath? Find travel tips and recommendations in the description below. Number 7, the Scottish Highlands. For adventure seekers, the Scottish Highlands are a dream come true. With breathtaking landscapes, ancient castles, and outdoor activities like hiking and kayaking, it's a place where nature takes center stage. Number 8, Liverpool. Liverpool is famous for its musical heritage, notably as the birthplace of the Beatles. Visit the Beatles Story Museum, explore the Albert Dock, and experience the vibrant culture of this iconic city. Number 9, Cardiff. Cardiff, the capital of Wales, is a city with a rich history and a lively atmosphere. Visit Cardiff Castle, explore the modern waterfront, and enjoy the bustling nightlife. Number 10, Cambridge and Oxford. Our final stop takes us to two of the UK's most famous university cities, Cambridge and Oxford. Explore the stunning colleges, take a punt along the rivers, and immerse yourself in the academic atmosphere. Number 11, Rye, East Sussex. Nestled in the heart of East Sussex, Rye is a medieval gem with cobbled streets, timber-framed houses, and a rich maritime history. Explore its charming shops, visit the historic Rye Castle, and soak in the timeless atmosphere. Number 12, Tintagel Castle, Cornwall. Perched on the rugged cliffs of Cornwall, Tintagel Castle is steeped in legend and myth. Believed to be the birthplace of King Arthur, it's a place of mystery and intrigue. Explore the ruins, take in the stunning coastal views, and uncover the stories of Camelot. Number 13, Pembrokeshire Coast National Park. Valesti. Pembrokeshire Coast National Park is a hidden gem along the Welsh coastline. With its rugged cliffs, sandy beaches, and crystal clear waters, it's a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. From coastal walks to wildlife spotting, there's adventure around every corner. Number 14, the New Forest. Hampshire. Escape to the enchanting woodlands of the New Forest in Hampshire. Home to ancient trees, wild ponies, and tranquil streams, it's a peaceful retreat for nature lovers. Explore on foot, by bike, or on horseback and immerse yourself in this magical landscape. Discover more about the New Forest in the description below. Number 15, St. Ives, Cornwall. Ives is a charming seaside town known for its sandy beaches, turquoise waters, and thriving art scene. Explore the narrow streets lined with galleries, enjoy fresh seafood by the harbor, and soak up the laid-back vibe of this coastal gem. Number 16, Bamburgh Castle, Northumberland. Atop a dramatic cliff overlooking the Northumberland coast, Bamburgh Castle is a fortress steeped in history and legend. Explore its medieval halls, Take in the panoramic views and discover tales of knights and kings. Learn more about Bamburgh Castle and other historic sites in the description. *** number 17. The Norfolk Broads. Norfolk Broads is a network of rivers and lakes that make up one of the UK's most beautiful national parks. Explore by boat, kayak, or on foot and discover the rich wildlife, picturesque villages, and tranquil waterways. Number 18. Stirling. Scotland. Stirling is a historic city nestled beneath the imposing Stirling Castle. Explore its cobbled streets, visit the Wallace Monument, and immerse yourself in the tales of Scotland's past. With its rich heritage and stunning architecture, it's a city worth exploring. Number 19. Llandudno. North Wales. Llandudno is a Victorian seaside resort nestled between the Great Orme and Little Orme headlands. With its elegant promenade, historic pier, and stunning views across the bay, it's the perfect destination for a classic seaside getaway. Number 20. The Shetland Islands. Venture north to the Shetland Islands, where rugged coastlines, pristine beaches, and ancient ruins await. Explore the wild landscapes, spot puffins and seals, and immerse yourself in the unique culture of this remote archipelago. Thanks for joining us on this tour of the top 20 places to visit in the UK. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel guides and tips. Discover exclusive. For exclusive travel deals and recommendations, check the link in the description.